Oh, what's so funny?
Take a look.
Okay, I'm looking.
It's some wedding night, huh?
Well, it's just like old times. Come on, we're just as comfortable as an old pair of slippers.
Nothing has changed, huh?
And I wouldn't have it any other way.
Me neither.
Oh, it feels so good. You know what it's like? It's like we took a detour, and now we're back. Oh, welcome home.
Welcome home, Monica.
Oh,
Oh, you feel so good.
do I?
Yeah. I'll tell you, I could hold you like this forever. Except for one thing.
What?
You're killing me with those rollers.
Glasses have poking me in the eye. Sorry. Here, you hold those. Get rid of these. I'm sorry. Better.
It's much better.
You know what? I kind of think I should slip into something maybe a little more comfortable.